Well, Oregon Health and Science University released new research on gun violence today. It's funded by federal money to get a better look at the impact that shootings have on communities. Fox 12's Will Metzel spoke with a leading pediatrician for their take on the findings. He joins us now in the studio with the details.
That's right. A lot to come out of this research, and they presented it today. Dr. Ben Hoffman led the research. He says since 2018, shootings have been the leading cause of death for children nationwide. He says this is extremely concerning for him and other pediatricians. The research looked at what could be causing the rise and what can be done to reverse it. Hoffman says unsecured and loaded guns in a home often result in accidental death. He also says more behavioral health services should be made available to prevent suicides. Hoffman says some shooting deaths are the result of systemic racism and disproportionate outcomes for minorities.
We know ways that can be effective in reducing those risks and getting those numbers down. We need leadership, we need cooperation, we need community engagement to approach it the right way.
Senator Ron Wyden was also at the roundtable. He has been advocating for more federal money for behavioral health services. Previously, federal money was not allowed for these types of studies. Wyden says OHSU is the first to do one since that restriction was lifted. Will Metzel, Fox 12, Oregon.